What is up, everybody? I'm going to give you some secret superpowers in this video. And the superpowers are all about mindset, okay? Something you have to realize is that everybody's brain has the conscious and the unconscious. And the unconscious can only watch what you're doing and listen to your thoughts. Your unconscious has no way to communicate back to you in a way that your conscious can interpret. So the way that your unconscious, your subconscious, will communicate to you is through like fear, right? It'll help you here, I'll give you an example. Have you ever watched a movie and in the movie your heart started racing because there's like a scary scene? Right? That's because your subconscious mind cannot distinguish reality from television. It can't a photo from real life, music from the words that you're speaking. So that's why you can actually feel stress and anxiety from what you're watching. That's why a movie can bring you to tears. It's because the lower emotional state of your unconscious mind has no way to interpret true or not reality versus non-reality. It's really interesting. So once you understand that, you have to begin to, how do I say this? You have to begin to be very careful about what you say to yourself, about the messaging that you expose yourself to, but at the same time, you can be deliberate about what you say to yourself, and you can be deliberate about what you watch and consume. For example, there's a phrase, I think it was Alan Watts, he says, your subconscious mind has no sense of humor. Never say anything bad about yourself. Never think bad about yourself, even if it's just a joke. Your subconscious mind cannot distinguish joking from reality. It just doesn't. Number 2, be careful of axioms, values, and idioms. Axioms, values, and idioms they can be parasitic. Like, for example, if you have like an idiom, or if you have some sort of a thought that maybe you don't deserve wealth, maybe that being rich is for, you have to do something bad to get rich. These sorts of things that you might tell yourself are going to hold you back. They're going to cause fear when you're about to embark on something that's about to make you truly wealthy. Like, say, you could say, something you might say is that you don't deserve a good family. It might give you fear when you find the woman of your dreams or man of your dreams. So you have to be very careful about the things you hold true. Okay, so I want you guys to to just be aware of that. Just being aware of the fact that you have a level of mind that you can communicate with, that you don't get any real verbose feedback. You don't get explicit feedback from your conscious mind. It's all implicit. It only shows up. Just being aware of that is half the battle. But now you can spend conscious effort in trying to control and trying to improve your conscious mind. Tell yourself that you're worth it. Tell yourself that you deserve it. All of these things. Only positive. If you want to be all that you can be in the art, no, not in there. This isn't if you want to be that, you have to say that you deserve it. You have to say that it's possible. You can be this, you can be that. You have to tell yourself you can do it and that you will do it. There's nothing stopping you from doing it. So that's my 4.5 minute spiel on how you can control your subconscious mind and create the right mindset for yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and have a great day. You're awesome. You got this.